Now, in this question, you have to identify what does the letter K represents in the equation of world health, world logistic growth. Now, in this equation, K represents the carrying capacity of the environment. That is, it is the maximum population size of a species that the environment can withstand or sustainably support given the ability of resources like food, water, and shelter. So it determines the upper limit of the population growth. And as n, that is the population size, approaches k, the growth rate decreases, eventually reaching zero when n equal to k. So k is the fundamental concept in the population dynamics representing the equilibrium population size in a given environment. Hence, the correct answer is option A, carrying capacity.